Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the right side we have this disconnect button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, disconnect, it leaves your earbuds at the device list, and unpair just remove it from your phone. And now let's click on it. And if I return on it, as you can see, it left it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.